Here are the primary colors, blue, yellow, and red. When we look at them closely, we notice that blue is a cooler color compared to red, yellow is balanced, and red is warmer. This has a profound effect on our state of mind and emotions, shaping our reactions on soul levels. Kabbalists like the Ramak wrote about this concept. Red represents intensity, even conflict, a color that stirs inner energy. Modern studies confirm this. When a person is exposed to red, it can increase their heart rate, creating a sense of urgency or alertness. Place someone in a red room dressed in red, and their heart rate rises, as the color naturally stimulates energy and heightened awareness. On the other hand, if you put someone in a blue room, dressed in blue, the effect is calming. Their heart rate slows down. For anyone dealing with stress or anxiety, looking at blue, the blue sky, the sea, the waves, can be very soothing. Even imagining blue has a calming effect that connects deeply with our psyche, grounding us in tranquility. The Ramak said that if you don't have blue around, just close your eyes and imagine yourself by a calm blue ocean with a clear blue sky above. You'll find that you begin to relax. Blue is a calming color because, in Kabbalistic thought, its root is in the Sephirah of Hesed, kindness, which brings peace and balance. This research also suggests practical advice. If you're heading into an important meeting where balanced decisions are needed, wearing blue may help you feel calmer and make better choices. So before stepping out, choose a blue outfit. You may find that your decisions are more measured and thoughtful, aligning with your best intentions and goals. On the other hand, wearing red to such a meeting could have the opposite effect, as red increases energy and intensity, potentially creating inner tension. But for sports or physical activity, red can be helpful. For someone who needs motivation, red boosts energy and brings vitality, empowering them to push forward. Each color influences us according to its essence, impacting both our minds and our bodies in unique ways.